A comprehensive guide to common issues with E-TRADE Rollover IRA. Introduction to E-TRADE Rollover IRA. E-TRADE is a popular online brokerage firm that allows individuals to manage their investments, including retirement accounts such as rollover IRAs. A rollover IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to transfer funds from a previous employer-sponsored retirement plan, such as a 401k, into an IRA. This can be a great way to consolidate your retirement savings and gain more control over your investments. Common issues with E-TRADE Rollover IRA. However, some common issues can arise when dealing with an ETRADE rollover IRA. One of the most common issues is the potential for tax penalties if the rollover is not done correctly. It is essential to follow the IRS rules and regulations when rolling over a retirement account to avoid any tax penalties. Step-by-step guide to avoiding common issues. To avoid common issues with an ETRADE rollover IRA, it is crucial to understand the process and follow the steps carefully. First, you need to open a new IRA account with E-TRADE and fund it with the money from your previous employer-sponsored retirement plan. Next, you need to ensure that the funds are transferred directly from the previous plan to the new IRA account. This is known as a direct rollover. If the funds are paid directly to you, you will have 60 days to deposit the funds into the new IRA account. This is known as an indirect rollover. Best practices for managing an E-TRADE rollover IRA. To get the most out of your E-TRADE rollover IRA, it is essential to follow best practices. One of the most critical best practices is to diversify your investments to minimize risk. You should also regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your retirement goals. Additionally, it is crucial to keep track of the required minimum distributions from your IRA to avoid any tax penalties. Conclusion. In conclusion, an E-TRADE rollover IRA can be a great way to consolidate your retirement savings and gain more control over your investments. However, it is essential to be aware of the common issues that can arise and follow the steps carefully to avoid any tax penalties. By following the best practices and understanding the process, you can make the most out of your E-TRADE rollover IRA and achieve your retirement goals.